The Springford Area School District has implemented online first day verification, which means parents do not have to complete the first day packet when students return to school. This video will walk you through the different steps to complete the online verification. If not completed, you will not be able to view your child's class schedule, bus schedule, and homeroom information. First, log into Skyward and click on First Day Verification in the upper left part of the screen. Read the district message and click Next at the bottom right. At the top of each page, you will find instructions to help you complete each section. Please take the time to read each one before moving on. When you complete a page, click Complete Step found at the bottom of the page. Once completed, you will find a green check mark next to that particular section. Do not hit Next Step to move on. If you do, at the end you will get a message saying your verification is incomplete. Moving down the list to the Limerick evacuation information, you must review all the details first before you're able to move on. With the handbook acknowledgement, you must click the link, then fill out the information. A digital signature is required to show that you did review the handbook and are aware of the information. When everything is complete, check the top right panel to make sure you have green check marks next to each section. If you do not, you cannot submit the online verification. For additional information, go to spring-ford.net, hover over Parents, and click Back to School News. Click on the First Day Verification link near the top of the page. This will bring you to the page with all the information you need to know. For step-by-step instructions, click on the link on the right-hand side underneath Frequently Asked Questions.